Hey guys, Doug here. Cruising down the Trans-Canada Highway, headed into Timmins, Ontario. I came up north yesterday. My wife has family up here. And today I'm just going into the town of Timmins to find my buddy Barnabas. And then we're going to go find the high falls in the wintertime. So it should be good. Got the Dirtbag Diaries playing on the old iPod, and it's a good morning. So Doug Outside is outside today. Well, look who I found. It's Barney.
It's me.
In my absence in the last year, Barney went ahead and made himself a new little friend. Say hi, Claire.
Hi.
Hi. So, we're just out for a day hike today. Gonna go find the high falls in the wintertime.
First time.
Like last year.
First time.
He doesn't have a memory. Nothing like that nice crispy crunch of the snow up here in the cold. Yesterday morning when I got here, it was minus 29 Celsius plus the wind. I don't know why these people want to live here. It's nice to get back into these kind of bushes though. I miss this. Okay. Whee! Whee!
I like your method.
That's kind of fun. It says Barnabas and I did an overnight here. I think we call it overnight at High Falls. And we did some fishing right here. So, you ready for this? How cool is this?
That's very cool.
It's amazing.
Does this all the way, probably a half a kilometer of just steps of waterfalls. So what are they doing here? Thinking about lunch now. Gonna start grabbing some birch bark and twigs along the way. All right,
That's what we're doing?
that's what we're doing. We're gonna have some steak.
Homemade. Home marinade.
Homemade steak.
Homemade.
How, is it from your leg? You took it from your leg?
Not my leg.
Just amazing. The snow's starting to fall. This is a gorgeous spot. We're just gonna head up and find a place to start a fire and cook some food. Coffee water?
Coffee water.
Oh.
homemade steaks.
Homemade.
Homemade, yeah. That's my story.
Nice. What's on those?
I'm not sure. I just whipped it up. It was just a little thing. I did.
They're not homemade.
No, they're not.
You lied to me.
The gag's up.
Hey?
The gag's up. Yeah, I lied to you.
You can't beat a hot coffee
On a cold day.
on a cold day, snow in the air, a beautiful river.
Steaming some asparagus.
Steaming asparagus.
Steaming asparagus. And we have some potatoes over there.
Got my coffee, beautiful scenery, steak on the fire. What a great day to be out here. Just shake out a couple potatoes. Nice. Look at those potatoes. It's beautiful. There is your some color.
It's exciting, eh? It's almost gourmet.
Well, we got our meat and potatoes, and I'm just gonna sit over here and enjoy the view and eat some lunch.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
You're good, yeah?
Oh yeah?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah. Thank you. Do you want some of this one?
Steak at High Falls. That's what the video is.
Steak and high
Steak at High Falls.
But we can switch it up. 'cause
It's
the
worth
frying
it.
pan's ready. No, switch
Oh,
it?
no,
'Cause I
this-
like it bloody.
Okay, you want that piece?
Lunch is done. It's fantastic. Just stoking up the fire again, warm up, and then hit the trail. Head back in a few hours. Oh, look at that, it goes underneath. The IceBridge. Wow. This is where you wonder where the edge is. And the last time that they saw Doug and Barnabas, look at that. Coming with you. Look at this. It's too cool to have a IceBridge over here. Super cool. That's just amazing. So we just headed back to the vehicle now, so I think it's a good time to sign off and say goodbye. So
Until next time.
bye guys. Goodbye. Oh no, it's you. Goodbye. See you in the next one.